back to the Exquisite Lifestyle, or welcome if you're new here. So by the title below, you know what this is about. It's gonna be about. So I'm going on Mutex International Coastal CleanupDay in Portland. I'm not sure which it is, but I know it's in Portland. So I'm gonna take you all on the journey with me. So stay tuned. It's the night before actually. I'm doing my back from early because I'm doing my intro from early because I always forget to do my intro. And when I don't recall, I don't know what to do. I'm like, I didn't do my intro. So I'm doing it from the night before, so I remember. It's gonna be fun. It's currently 7:20 or 7:10. I'm gonna start the chat. I'm supposed to be here from 7, but I guess they're not ready, so I'm still early. But anyways. I'm doing my thing.
Generally, don't want this to eat, just me.
Why?
You're almost there. This is
In a big circle can?
Is it? No.
But what to do here? They might probably taste about them. But then I circle can my bag. Big circle can have stale chips.
Yes.
Not cute.
Kind of cute.
Circle can. Not cute. It's better to not sweet to go. I never seen a problem. And we have one jug. And, or is it, how are you coming?
Guys. Then I left me after I go by Tampere.
Because my shop did lock. So I
So you have to live up with more guys.
So I said by the time, but no lady by gate already. So what is that so? Where am I supposed to
Oh man, I do.
see, my last ever clean it. It doesn't wait to be a need to
And none of them put them in food.
because none of candy and some bread and some sliced cheese. One case of hot water. Water in the early morning.
Guys, so the same time as us is after the people in the bus in the region. Behind us we have Portland people waiting for the Portland bus, which is not here.
Look at them just say, okay, I return to Portland. How for real, I'm gonna do the gloves. Guys, please be at the barn at 7. The bus leaves at 7. You want to have a nice self wake up and fix the lady here? Set 3 alarm.
Maybe we go start the
Let's have a
school
see.
after the
You know, when I tell him, I see a text and say, no, I'm not answering them hours after she say, well, you're not asleep. Oh, the same person come back and
latex. These are latex gloves. Like, you can use it with latex. Latex is something come inside of the plant.
Where did I say?
I don't want to put
so,
that.
I want to know what something I'm going to do.
Girl, look at my hat.
Yeah, walk on church.
Looks like that. You see?
It's at So after 1 hour and 30 minutes wait, was finally king.
Which now we found something like that.
Yeah.
just find out that because we should have gone like an hour, you know. Them can't refurbish that.
All of them are pine. It's one of true juice land. And it's not pineapple.
So when I reach where? Hey.
Keep the island clean, so clean. From the peaks to the beach, so clean. No dirty up Jamaica, please don't do it. Keep the island clean, so clean. From the peaks to the beach, so clean. No dirty up Jamaica, please don't do it.
No dash no paper, no dash no plastic. Dispose your garbage responsibly. No know how to recycle, learn it quick. And if you drop it, better pick up every piece of it. Plastics last forever, don't forget the bits. Cause when them touch the street, them end up in the sea. Collect pan the reef where they fish them feed. And when you want seafood, I eat your
Keep the
eat.
island clean, so clean. From the peaks to the beach, so clean. No dirty up Jamaica, please don't do it.
Oh my god, what is this? I want it again. No. Peter Rabbit.
You want to tire it? We can take it up. Nak pick kuat nak pakai. Ayo kali kelas masuk. Wak Dawir.
Please. Water. No, man.
One school, one engine.